So you guys remember when I introduced this car and there was this blatant mistake right here where half my grill is missing? Yeah, today we're gonna fix that, along with a couple other things. Yeah, just something about this mesh just isn't cutting it for me. Luckily for us, my parts car came with a spare grill, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in today real quick. It should just be a couple of screws and some clips. It's not very hard to put in. Let's go ahead and do it. Never hurt another Supra again. Now we can put the good grill in. Got it upside down. Let's change that around. Don't mind the little dot over here. That's actually for a badge I'm going to put on it. I decided to leave the Toyota badge off for a little bit of a cleaner look, but night and day difference. I also found this in my little stash of parts in that other parts car, and it just so happens that mine is messed up right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one off because this has been bugging me too. Alright, in order to get to the outer B-pillar cover, we need to get through this part right here. And to do that, I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, I gotta take this guy off. I think it's got a screw back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my seatbelt cover off, take this piece and remove it, and the rear speaker cover. To remove this piece, we need to take this armrest off. It just kind of pops off just like that. Set it back here. We need to remove these two screws in the speaker cover. Also got this cover for the hatch that I need to move out of the way. Try not to lose the screws. Now this should just pop up. Get my little pry bar tool. Helps with interior pieces. Oh, there it goes. Did I break it? Sweet. Just a couple of clips. So now I'm going to go ahead and undo the seat belt bolt. I can get there we go. That should be like a 14 millimeter. Yep, 14 millimeter. Millimeter. Alright, there we go. That's out of the way. That has revealed another Phillips screw behind the trim cover for the seat belt. We'll go ahead and do that one too. There it goes. Alright, well that's good news. We don't have to worry about taking this guy off. This all looks like it comes off pretty easy. There we go. There are two holes. There's one right here, and right here that holds the outside B-pillar cover on. There we go. There's one. This one was already loose. I don't know if it's broken or not though. There's that one. Okay. Now to go to the outside to pull the bad one off. Just let's see. It's a little stuck. Ooh. Man, this guy really likes glue. Alright, that one's off. It kind of makes me wonder if this window was leaking. Guess we'll find out shortly. Doesn't look like there's any rust down there, that's good. Alright, here's our new one. Hopefully it goes on. Sees as that one came off. Ooh, very nice. I hate this stuff. That will get fixed soon. Now that we got the outside, the new piece put back on the outside, we can put the bolts back on. Alright, same as last time. Gotta be super careful not to drop it. And now we don't have it essentially glued to the car, so we gotta be careful on putting it back on. Don't push the good piece off and break it. That one started. Let's get this one started down here. Man, I think I need to get some window tint. It's kind of hot back here. Just snug. We don't need them super tight. All it is a showpiece. It doesn't need to be torqued to 1,000 pounds. Yeah, that should be tight. Now we're going to go and put this cover back on. This. There's one clip. There's two clips. That always makes me nervous. I'm afraid of breaking the tabs off. Let's go ahead and put this guy back on. Goes. All right. Now for the seat belt. There it goes. Nice and tight. Put the plug back on. Now for the speaker cover. That goes over just like on there like that again. Looks like that's on there. And then we just have this guy just go back on down there. So I can do this one-handed. See, right there. There it goes. And we're done. Let's go look at it from the outside. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. It's definitely scratched up. I'll have to do something about that, but it doesn't look as crappy anymore. Just need to fix a lot of this trim, like I said earlier. Honestly, the car looks okay from like 10 feet away, but it does have a lot of issues with it. I need to figure out what this is all about. And then I gotta repair the rust in the quarters still. Anyways, that's probably gonna be it for this video. We got a grill in and got a new B-pillar trim in. Next video we'll probably do the exhaust because I'm getting kind of tired of it being so quiet. Maybe an intake, I don't know. Still waiting on parts for that exhaust. I was gonna go single 3-inch, but for what this car is, it definitely doesn't need single 3-inch exhaust. I don't want it to be that noisy. So I gotta wait for some parts to come in because I really don't want to use that exhaust anymore. I don't see the point in it.